Take out the machine and its accessories. Fit holders to the machine. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 larger rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the handpiece cores to the machine. Put all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine and press the power switch to get the machine started. And then you can see the starting interface. Body RF treatment. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine and the corresponding control interface will appear. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. (15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 37 is recommended. Mode selection. NOR. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level as the start button is pressed. Pro. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Pro mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply RF cream to the target area evenly before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Body RF and suction treatment. Connect the body RF and suction handpiece to the machine, and the corresponding control interface will appear. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Suction time range 0 to 2. 0.4 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2. 0 to 1 is recommended. Pro mode for RF function is recommended for first-time users. There's a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction. Turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Slowly raise it from the lowest level at the beginning for first-time users. Apply essential oil evenly to the target area. Do not apply a thick layer, otherwise there will be blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Cavi treatment. Connect the Cavi handpiece to the machine and the corresponding control interface will appear. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Apply dedicated gel to the target area evenly before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Phase RF and suction treatment. Connect the phase RF and suction handpiece to the machine, and the corresponding control interface will appear. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 endless level is recommended. Suction time 0.4 to 1.5. Release time 0 to 1. Pro mode for RF function is recommended for first-time users. Adjust the suction level based on individual sensations. Slowly raise it from the lowest level at the beginning for first-time users. Apply RF cream or essence to the target area evenly before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Phase RF treatment. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine, and the corresponding control interface will appear. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 endless level is recommended. Pro mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply RF cream or essence to the target area evenly before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.